What's up, high levelers? Funnel Doc here. In today's video, I've got a great one for you. This is going to blow your mind. Everybody's been asking about the employee AI and how to sell voice AI. Well, I thought to myself, why don't we have AI sell itself? So that's right. That's what this does. I'm going to give you the prompt. I'm going to show you I made it and everything at the end of this video. But this AI, it asks the caller about their niche, about their business, what situation they want them to role play, and then it switches after it gets all their information and role plays any niche, any situation, just like if it was their own agent. And then after that, it then tries to sell them the actual AI itself, where it'll either book a demo, what I call an AI impact session, or assessment for like a one-on-one with a salesperson, or it will send them a payment link for someone that wants to sign up right there, as well as it captures all the information for them. So with no further ado, let's jump inside the demo, and then I'm going to break down how this bot does everything for you, as well as give you the exact prompt that I'm using and show you how I did it and show you how you can create the same prompt using my technique and for any AI, whether it's conversational AI or voice AI, and with just a few changes, you can have a magnificent prompt that will work no matter what you're trying to accomplish. So let's jump inside the demo.
Hello, this is your AI assistant from Funnel.ai. Today, I'll demonstrate how I can act as a customized voice AI agent for your business. First, I'll ask a few questions to understand your business, and then I'll role play as your AI assistant to show how I'd interact with your customers. To get started. What's the name of your business?
Um, Jeff's MMA Gym.
Great, Jeff's MMA Gym. What customer interactions do you handle most often? Are you booking classes, answering inquiries about memberships, or maybe handling support issues?
It's really customer support, booking appointments with our personal trainers for their one-on-one, information about our classes for adults and children, as well as just overall FAQ questions about mixed martial arts itself, really.
So, you're dealing with customer support, booking personal training sessions, and answering FAQs about your classes. What kind of tone would you like me to use when interacting with your customers? Friendly, formal, or casual?
I want it to be, professional but casual and fun and informative. I want you to be like a guide on their journey when they're engaging with my brand, but always professional. Does that make sense?
Absolutely. A professional yet casual and fun guide. We'll keep it informative and engaging. Ready to see how I'd interact with your customers?
Yeah, I'm super excited.
Awesome. Let's dive in. Hello, and thank you for calling Jeff's MMA Gym. This is your voice AI assistant. How can I help you on your martial arts journey today?
Oh, I'm really trying to figure out if I should do like Muay Thai or Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu.
Both are fantastic choices. Muay Thai is great for striking and stand-up techniques, while Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu focuses on ground fighting and submissions. Do you have any specific goals or preferences that might help us narrow it down?
Yeah, I want to get in shape. I need to lose about 20 pounds, but I think I'd like to go towards BJJ because I think most fights wind up on the ground anyway.
Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu is perfect for that. It's a full-body workout and great for self-defense. Plus, it's super engaging. Would you like to book a trial class to get started?
How much does that cost?
The first trial class is on the house, so it's free. It's a great way to see if BJJ is the right fit for you. Would you like me to book that for you?
Yeah, I'd love that.
Fantastic. Could you let me know your preferred date and time for the trial class?
Yeah, let's go for next Tuesday.
Great choice. What time works best for you on Tuesday?
What time zone are you in, and what day is Tuesday, by the way?
We're in the Central European time zone, and next Tuesday is the 17th of December. What time would you like to come in?
Let's do it 2 p.m.
Perfect. I've got you down for a Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu trial class on Tuesday, December 17th at 2 p.m. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Yeah, do I need to bring anything with me?
Just some comfortable workout clothes and a water bottle. We'll provide the rest. Anything else you're curious about?
No, I think that's awesome. I'm looking forward to the experience.
You're going to have a great time. If you have any questions before then, feel free to reach out. Enjoy your journey into Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu.
That was super cool.
You need to I'm glad you enjoyed it. Now let's talk about how implementing a voice AI assistant like this can benefit Jeff's MMA gym. What stood out to you the most during our demonstration?
Your understanding of my gym and just your overall knowledge engagement, it worked really well. I couldn't imagine it being like, it almost felt like a real person.
That's fantastic to hear. The goal is to make interactions as seamless and human-like as possible. Implementing this can save time, boost customer satisfaction, and keep your operations running smoothly. Do you have any questions or concerns about how this could work for your gym?
No, I think I'm ready to get started. This is amazing. Should I meet with someone or can I just get signed up right now?
I can help you get started right away. Let me take care of that for you.
Yeah, that'd be cool. Let's just go signed up now. How much does it cost to get started right now?
1 second, I will text you the payment link right now. Let me know when you get it. Sent you a payment link to get started with Voice AI. Once you're set up, you'll be ready to enhance your gym's customer experience. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.
Wait, real quick question. How much was that? How much? Got so excited I forgot to ask you how much it even cost.
No worries. Cost details should be included in the payment link I sent you. You can review everything there before completing the sign up. If you have any questions about it, just let me know.
You'll see here that I got an actual payment link that I can click on right now. It takes me to sign up for Payment AI. One of the things I would do to improve it would be put a price in there. I forgot. I couldn't remember if I'd put the price in of how much we're charging for that, or if I wanted the agent to defer to the call. But it could do anything. That wasn't programmed, mind you. You'll see in the prompt, it had nothing to do with MMA. The AI just knows what to say and what to do. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the actual prompt itself, which is going to blow you guys' mind. So here we go. This is the actual prompt. Now I have, before we get into the prompt, there's the different actions I have set up. I have the ability for it to be able to transfer if it wanted to speak to a human with a fake number in there. That's the other reason why I died out. I didn't have my own number in there. I have two workflow triggers, which you saw that I went to transfer. The one where it sent me the payment link, and another where it has, hey, I'm going to connect you with my assistant, and it then connects it sends you an SMS, and the AI booking bot, the new beta one, takes over, and through SMS will schedule the one-on-one appointment for that instance. And then you've got the contact field information. If it usually will ask for its first name, the business type, and then the situation that they were trying to solve or have issues or role play. And then it pretty much, that's it. You're going to see that this normally has a total of about 3,000 words, and I used about 1,900 of it. But you'll see it's very detailed, explains who it is, the purpose of the call, who you're conducting a role play, your specific walkthrough. I'm not going to bore you with walking through the whole thing because you're going to go ahead and get your own copy of it. I'm going to give it to you right here. It's in this Google Doc. What I would recommend for anyone, if they come in and they click make a copy, it's in view only right now. You'll be able to make your own copy, and then you can amend it anything you like now. But I'm going to show you really cool. This is the other thing is these were the workflows. I got the payment link, I've got the booking link, and then I've got follow-up reminders and did they show, but that's other stuff as far as that goes. I've got this as far as in here for your fields. I've got the name of the person, the type of business, and the situation they want demoed. And then here's the payment link. And that's it. Like that's literally all you need, an AI that, as you see, will sell itself. And the cool thing is, I'm going to show you right now how I made it and how you're going to be able to refine it or do anything you need with just a few easy steps. Now, that's right. I created a GPT for both AI and for regular conversational chat GPT that will do all this for you. And I'm going to show you exactly the conversation I did. Here it is right here. I started. This is all I typed in there. Now, mind you, this took a while. As you look over to the side here, you're going to see how long this chat goes on. But, and that's the thing, to get something perfect, it's going to take some tweaking and perfecting. I would call into the bot, I'd work with it, it wouldn't do something, I'd tell it that I want to do something, and it'd reiterate everything for me. But you can see here, I said I want to create a voice AI agent that will ask questions about the caller's niche and industry, and then will act as itself and will sell voice AI. And then so it went in to get the goals. It started doing initial questions, gave me all this cool stuff, and then it asked me if I want to configure it. I'm like, yeah, let's configure it. So it started breaking down even more stuff again. If you want, let me know in the description if you want a copy of this actual chat, and I can just send it to you. Or you know what I'll do is I'll just put it in the actual link. So if someone wants to see this, and then they come in, and then they even recommends workflow actions and triggers. I didn't go off this. These were just some that I made myself, but it makes recommendations for that. Then it talks about the conversational AI, testing feedback, ongoing optimization. Then asked me what I want to do. I told it I want to focus on the prompt. So then we start going in the prompt. Again, I'm not going to waste a lot of time on this. And then I asked it once it was done. I said, so to confirm, this bot will ask about their business niche, how they want to use a voice AI agent, and will act as a voice AI and demo how the voice AI will perform, and then sell itself. And it's like, correct. So it gave me the prompt. And then so I went through, I started testing it. And then I make some more reiterations. I called it. I didn't like the way it was responding. So I started saying more. Here's the bot. I didn't like the way it was introing. I made a lot of reiterations through this. It literally was, you'll see me talking to it. This was probably a good 2 hours worth of work, to be honest with you, to get this perfected, till I got to the end where it finally gave me my finalized prompt that you get right now by using that Google link to be able to get it. And it's the exact same one that I use. But you see, here it is at the end. The one thing I'd recommend is when you are making changes, like you can literally, you'll see in certain spots here, I was just like, the prompt still is a voice AI scheduling the impact assessment. It should say that it will hand it off to the assistant, and they will send a text to schedule it, because I didn't like the way the handoff was going for that part of the flow. That's all I said to it. Just told it what I didn't like, and it gave me reiteration. This is the one thing you want to be careful about when working with it. It will sometimes give you just a reiteration of a section, not the whole prompt itself. So I usually, if you're going to do updates, just cut and paste that section in, test it, and then when you like it, ask for a final reiteration, and then upload that as your final prompt to be able to use it. But as you can see, that prompt's good to go right now. Maybe you'll tweak it a little for your business, change out, Funnel Doc AI or anything like that, but that's all you need to do. I know you're gonna love this thing. Yeah, I was so excited. I was up till 1:30 last night working on this, because some of the things that I did the training for HighLevel, and some of the things people were saying is that they need help selling it. So I'm like, why not make AI sell itself no matter what the niche or situation is? So I hope you love this as much as I did creating it for you. This was so cool. I love AI so much. If you could do me a favor, if you're still around, like and subscribe for me. I'd really appreciate that. I've got much more AI on the way. It's going to be voice, it's going to be chat, it's going to be automations, it's going to be a ton of stuff. And really, we're going heavy into 2025. So thanks so much for watching this video. I'm out of here. Peace. Funnel Doc out.